What's up, Tim? Good to have you back for another break, buddy. Let's give everybody a couple minutes to file in here and we'll get going. It's a good, inexpensive break. Let's have some fun with this. Yep. Tim is one of the original members here. The group is starting to grow a little bit, so hopefully before long we can just post breaks to the page and not have to fool with eBay, getting everybody's teams sniped out from under them. Let's go ahead and go over the teams real quick while we wait. All right, we got Tim with the Falcons, Bengals, Raiders, Bills, and Texans. You got Patrick with the 49ers, Bears, and Seahawks. Michael with the Chargers, Chiefs, and Rams. Brian P. with the Patriots, Giants, Jets, Colts, Saints, and Steelers. Rossi with the Bucks and the Vikings. George with the Redskins. Thomas with the Titans. Wesley with the Eagles. Kevin with the Dolphins. Brian H. with the Packers. Thuong Dang with the Broncos. Kent with the Lions. Bobby with the Cowboys. Mark has the Browns. Lynn has the Cardinals. Ben has the Panthers, Jaguars, and Ravens. Yeah, Tim's wife isn't too happy with old George. Took her Redskins away. Guys, we got several things breaking in the next few days, so be sure to watch out on our eBay. I think the random team Black Gold for the other two boxes I have is down to 11 spots, so as soon as that gets filled up the rest of the way, we will bust that also. Got Steve and Javon with us here tonight. Hopefully they'll bring us some luck. Ain't that right, Steve and Javon? Yeah, I saw that, Tim. I appreciate that, buddy. More chances for her to get the Redskins, huh? All right, let's get this thing going. Good luck, everybody. George put the block on you. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. First hit for the Jets, Bryce Petty, rookie auto to 99, 96 of 99. For the Jets. Up next for the Chargers, the rookie Motherlode, Melvin Gordon to 199, 99 of 199. Nice hit for the Chargers. These black gold cards are sharp. For the Rams, Todd Gurley, rookie card to 49. The Gold Mine. For the Colts, rookie Philip Dorsett with the gold logo. That one is to 149 for the Colts, and that thing is thick. If that's going to fit in this or not. There we go. Nice hit for the Colts. Next for the Titans, rookie Marcus Mariota. For the Colts again, we have T.Y. Hilton, number to 49. For the Steelers and the Ravens, looks like we may have a random here. Yes, we do have a random. Two separate owners. We will have a random here at the end for this. Joe Flacco and Big Ben, numbered to 149 with the gold NFL shield. It's going to be a random. We'll do that at the end. That one is not going in there. I'll get something to put that in, but we'll lay it to the side for now. Next, for the Saints, we have Drew Brees, Golden Days. That one is number 2 of 49 for the Saints. Yeah, Tam, black gold is pretty nice stuff. It's always looking good. For the Seahawks, got some nice patches on this card. Tyler Lockett, and that is his rookie also. This one is numbered to 49, 18 of 49 for the Seahawks. Last hit of the first box for the Chargers. Immaculate Ink, 41 of 49. Charlie Joyner. Nice hit for the Chargers. All right, box number 2. Good luck, fellas. Here we go. Second box for the Packers. Brett Favre, number 2/199. For the Rams with the silver logo shield, Nick Foles. The seal of approval. That one is 27/49. Yep, that one's not going to fit either. For the Packers again, Eddie Lacy /199. Golden Days. And another possible random here. I'll have to check this out. We got the Titans, the Bucks, the Jets, and the Saints. The 4-way rookie patch. Jameis Winston, Marcus Mariota, Bryce Petty, and Garrett Grayson. Let's see if that needs to be random real quick. See, Thomas had the Titans. Rossi with the Bucks. What else we have there? Jets and the Saints. Oh, no, we have a majority owner. Jets and the Saints. That card goes out to Brian P. Nice hit there, buddy. For the Bears, Kevin White. The rookie auto sizable signatures. Number 299, Kevin White, the gold ink, with the big jersey patch there. Nice hit for the Bears. For the Titans, numbered 63/99, Marcus Mariota. For the Titans. Up next for the Raiders, with the seal of approval, the gold logo shield, Derek Carr /149. I mean, look how thick these things are. $67/149. For the Cowboys, Golden Days, Dez Bryant. 99 of 99. There's you an eBay 1 of 1, Cowboys. Dez Bryant, nice card there. For the Eagles, the rookie mother load for Nelson Aguilar. $63 of $99 for the Eagles. Last hit. Bam. Stephon Diggs, rookie auto, number 249. That is number 2 of 49. That is what we're looking for right there. Metallic marks, rookie auto, Stephon Diggs for the Vikings. Nice hit on that card for the Vikings. Not sure who had them. But either way, congrats on that card. And that does it. We will run this random real quick between the Steelers and the Ravens. Let me just get it set up and then we will run it off. Like I said, we got several breaks coming up in the next. Then we got a couple on Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for sure. We got some Luminance football and some Topps Finest baseball. So y'all be sure to check those out. All right, we have the Ravens and the Steelers in the random for this card. Big Ben and Joe Flacco, dual symbols to 149. Switches over here so y'all can see it. Whoever's on top at the end gets the card. Must be 4 or higher on the dice. All right, 7 rounds. Here we go. One round left. Steelers. Congrats to the Steelers. All right, guys, that does it for this break. Thanks again to everybody that joined in. Like I said, we got 11 spots left on the random team break for Black Gold. So y'all check that out. We'll fill that up, and if we can get it full, we'll break it tomorrow night. If not, as soon as it gets full, we'll break it. I appreciate it as always. We will see you next time.